So here it is. 9 hours, 9 persons, 9 doors. A stupid adventure game. For what was it? $30? Yeah, it's money well spent if you actually pay for it. So without further words, we're gonna click. You will be starting from the beginning of the game. Sure, you want to save it? Yeah. Finish saving. This game is fiction. All names, characters, and incidents portrayed in this production are fictitious. There are two modes of play: novel and adventure. You can switch in and out of each interchangeably. War. War never changes. 9, 8, 7. 6, 5, 4. 3, 2, 1, 0. That is how many doors there are. A loud noise startled Junpei awake, and his eyes snapped open. Junpei, what the? As they adjusted to the light, he realized that he didn't. Fuck. Ow! With a crack, Junpei's head connected with something metal. He rolled over and threw out his hand to steady himself, but he found himself groping at ball sacks, empty air. Whoa! His balance lost in his still fuzzy mind, struggling to understand what was going on. Junpei tumbled down to the cold gray floor. Ah! God damn it! God, what the hell? A bed? I fell pretty far. That really hurt. Damn, my eyesight's kinda blurry. Must have hit my head. No, wait. That's not it. An earthquake? But it's shaking too fast for that. Anyway. Where am I? Wait, it stopped? What's that sound? That's 5. What's this 5 mean? Ugh, it won't open. What's this? Is this keeping the door shut? Hey, hello? Is anyone there? Open the fucking door. Huh? What the hell is this? A watch? Doesn't look like one. 5. That's the same as the door. What? How do I take this off? Maybe pushing something on this will work. Nothing. Damn. Guess I'll have to force it off. Ugh. No good. This stupid thing won't come off. What the hell is this deal with this thing? Where am I? And why the hell am I here? Why? What the hell happened to me? My head. Oh, this is... Hold on, am I on a ship? I can't see anything. If only it wasn't so dark outside. Huh? What the? You've gotta be kidding me. Well, what the hell is going on here? What the hell? God damn it! Hey, is anyone there? Come on, if you're there, say something. It's not stopping. It's not good. Not good at all. I need to find a way out, and fast. I will use my electricity power. Third class cabin. What the fuck is going on here? Oh, is this the map? Operations during an escape. During an escape, you are restricted to an area. Your goal, search around to uncover how to unlock the door. There are items and hints in the room that will help you escape. Click on a location you find suspicious to search the room. Use Q or E to move around the room. Water just keeps pouring through the window. It's like a waterfall. I don't think shoving something in the window is going to stop the water. In other words, if I don't want to die, I find a way out of this room. I have to figure this out. A bulletin board. Looks like someone put a note on it. About items. Once you've obtained an item, you'll be able to go to the item screen. Clicking item on the left will take you to the item screen. Note from bulletin board. Okay. If I look at it with 3D glasses. The note's got arrows in red and arrows in blue. Investigate with an item. The item visible in the lower left is the item currently in hand. When you close item screen, the last selected item will be in hand. If you hold an item while investigating the room, you may trigger a reaction. Try switching items in hand and search different places. Click item icon or press V to quickly change between items. Picture frame. A picture of a cloud. An old picture frame. There's a picture of a ship on it. There's screws keeping the back on. I can't just break it though, that would be disrespectful. Doesn't seem like there's anything hidden on the sink. This is the only drain in the room. Good thing the water is filling up the room at a snail's pace. This is the door to the stove. Well, it opens easily enough. Sure wish the door to get out of here was that easy to open. A screwdriver. I could use this to screw myself. That's not funny. Doesn't seem to be anything special about it. Combine it with the picture frame. And do an action. Well, the screwdriver's got the screws out easily enough. And here's the picture. Picture of old... Oh. Sweet. The key to the puzzle. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. It's like someone wrote a bunch of fucking numbers and symbols on the back. kind of picture, huh? Oh, yeah, you think so? Select combine on the instruction screen to combine two items. If two items can be combined, you will receive new item. If cannot, then nothing happens. Try out a different combination of item to find your... Okay, I'm not gonna read those anymore. A screwdriver, huh? Wonder why that's here. Well, let's see if there's anything in here. Looks like there is... a key? Yeah. There's a little blue key at the bottom of this pot. It's pretty fucking cool. A small blue key. Too bad it doesn't open it. Shut the fuck up. No dice. It's locked. See if there's anything in this keyhole. In the keyhole. Alright, see what happens if I put the blue key in the keyhole. And nothing. Guess I might need some sort of code for the dial. Minigames. During an escape, your investigation may move myself a little. Yeah. Shh. I know what fucking mini games are. We'll do that later. Damn it! Open, you stupid thing. I don't think it's gonna open if I whack on the wall a couple of times. Might make me feel better. Not gonna help though. Alright, Junpei, don't freak out. Keep it cool. Look around for more clues. Alright. I can keep looking till the cows come home. All my fine up here is that pillow. Damn it. Isn't there anything else I can use? See the bottom of the ladder. Oh man, flies over come to the bottom of the bed. Gotta hurry this up. Really odd hearing a Japanese man say a southern phrase from America. Okay. What's up with my face? I look like a zombie. Man, what the hell happened to me? How did I end up here? I left work, headed back to my apartment, and I'm back. Not like anyone will respond. Man, work was rough today. A breeze? Oh, that's weird. Did I leave that open? Everything looks okay. Must have forgotten to close it. I can't. He opened up a can of soda. Consider this a privilege. You have been chosen. You are going to participate in the game. The Canaries game. It is a game where you will put your life on the line. That's right. That guy with the gas mask. That son of a bitch must have taken me here. When did I get my hands on him? When I get my hands on him. Well, I guess there's no way to know if that was a man or not. Not that it fucking matters. Just who was that? They said, you have been chosen. What the hell is going on? Why me? You are going to participate in a game. Canaries game. It is a game where you will put your life on the line. Just like so. The Canaries game, huh? What hell is Canaries game? God damn it! There's nothing left on the mirror. Okay, I didn't know that was a mirror. I thought that was the other room. Five, huh? What does that mean? Okay. Wait, red key now. Look at the picture. That is 7. 6. 3. 6. 3. 6. Okay. 6. 3. Is there another key for me? Find the right 4 numbers. Let's give this another try. 6. Wait, no. 6. It's not it. Wait, what? Oh, wait. No. That's not it. That can't be it. Okay. There's another key. A small red key. What could it mean? Maybe put on the 3D glasses. Two, 4, 6, 3. Don't know. Let's try it. 2, 4, 6. I knew that wasn't it. I shouldn't even have tried. God damn it. You just have to find the right numbers and turn the key. Then the briefcase should open. Maybe I should look around the room some more. Let go back. Yes, you've got the fucking key. No! Fuck! I don't want to do it again. Then the briefcase should open. Okay, how do I go back? How the fuck do I go back? This is getting okay, I clicked the arrow. Fuck. I'm sorry, everybody. Well, looks like we've got the light in here. And the electricity. Well, I can't reach his bunk. I might as well look through it. Damn. Nothing here. Oh, this one. There's no positive bed. Feels like a board with a sheet on it. It's pretty flat. Man, okay, you're... Fucking hell, this guy's annoying. I've gotta die someday, but I sure as hell don't want it to be here. That was an unnecessary statement. If I pull off these sheets and shove them into the window, they'll stop the water. No, they fucking won't. Shoot, that's not gonna happen. Oh, now you're censoring yourself. Okay. I don't know where to go from here. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm gonna die. The water's already up to the chair. I use the chair, maybe? No. It's a pipe. I know. I'll smoke crack from the pipe. Nobody here to make fun of my lame jokes. Man, that sucks. How does that suck? You can laugh at yourself. Like, I'm so funny. Try it again. Shit. I don't fucking know. I don't know why I expected that to work. Okay, Picture of an old cruise liner. Seven. 4. 7, 4, 6, 3. Let's try it. 7, 6, 6. I can't do 6? What's going on here? Oh no. Well, we're never gonna do this puzzle then. If I can't even click the number fucking 6. I don't even remember what I was trying to type. Is it even 6? Can I please look at the fucking picture? 7, 8, it was 4. No. It was 6. No, 7. 7. 4. 7, 4. That's what it is. 7, 4. God damn it. I've already forgotten what the fuck it was. This guy has a big mouth. Okay. 7, 4. 6. 3. 7, 4, 6, 3. Let's try it. Seven, 4, 6, 3. Do it. You son of a bitch. 7, 4, 6. Let's try it. God damn it. I don't know then. We're gonna die. We're just gonna have to die. Because I don't get it. I don't get what's going on here. 7, 4, 6, 3. Nah, that ain't it. There is a red key. How do I use the red key? What is count? Okay, I don't know why that's even a button then. God damn it, you fucking asshole. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. God damn it. You don't gotta talk every second of your life. Oh, I didn't know that was here. Oh, okay. Alright. It's just like the blue briefcase. Yeah, there's a lock on this one too, and it's not opening. Okay, put the fucking key in there, asshole. Yes. Oh my fucking lord. Put the key in. Right, stick that where the key in there. It's not opening. In fact, it's not doing anything at all. Alright, I take it back. I guess I move the dial now. I have to Put it in the right numbers and then the key. Yeah. Shut the fuck up. I don't know the right numbers, you goddamn lunatic. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay. 6. No. 7, 3. 7, 4. 7, 4. Okay. Oh my lord. 7. 6, 3. God damn it. That doesn't make any sense. Seven, 4. Do I combine it? Of course not. I don't know what combining 2 pieces of paper is gonna do. Are you fucking serious? Okay, never mind. I was looking at that one. What a pain in the ass. Two fucking briefcases. What a great way to start your fucking shitty RPG maker game. Fucking Indians. Indians pretending to be Japanese. That's what they are. Okay, you really don't gotta read them out to me. I can read them perfectly. 7, 4. 7, 4. What do I do with that? Seven, 4. I don't get it. What the fuck am I doing here? 7, 4, 6, 3. I expected that to work. I hate you. I fucking hate you. That's what I was going off of, you goddamn cocksucker. I was going off the fucking page. Those symbols have something to do with the code I need to get this briefcase open. I fucking looked at it. You goddamn idiot. It's a closet. That really helps me. I looked at that. Wait a fucking... God damn it. Okay, I get it now. Okay. Yeah, this is it. This has gotta be it. I feel so dumb. That wasn't it? That wasn't it. It's not opening. I got a feeling the numbers on the back of that picture are the key to this somehow. 7, 4. 7, 4. That's 7 and that's 4. That's 7 and 4. What the fuck am I doing wrong? What the hell am I doing wrong here? I've tried everything. There's nothing else it could be. That's it. Those are the only clues I have. 2 pieces of fucking paper that don't do anything. Picture of an old cruise liner. Seven, 4. What am I doing wrong here? I don't get it. I don't get what I'm doing wrong here. 7, 4. 7, 4. 7, 4. 6. Is it backwards? No, it's not backwards. I'm so tired of this. Is there a skip button? Can you give me the answer? I don't know what I'm doing here. Hold on. Seven, 4. 7, 4. 7, 4. What do I do? Can you... Shit. It's not opening. I got a feeling the number... You're saying that over and over, and each time it doesn't work. I'm doing it. I'm trying every single number. Three, 6. Oh, lordy. Okay. 3, 6. 3, 6. 7, 4. I don't know what to do. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Well, can you give me another hint, please? Or is that the extent of your intuition? Is there anything else I can click on? Maybe the bed. There's nothing up top. Here we are at the middle bunk. There's nothing useful here except a pillow, which you can smother yourself with. 5. That has nothing to do with anything. No way. A bulletin board. There is nothing on it. There's a table. Water is pouring onto it like a little water. Okay, you already... Please. This is a piece of junk. Well, I won't be draining any water here, I guess. Okay. Doesn't look like that water's gonna stop anytime soon. I gotta find a way out. Okay. Nothing in here. Nothing more in here. Looking at a pot lid. Yes, I see the old pot. I can't do anything with these fucking numbers. 6 3 6 3 6 3 6 3. That's it then. I don't know what the hell else you expect me to do here. 7 4 7 4 6 3. God damn it. Okay, well. Briefcase. Yeah, I know that, but you're not helping me at all. You're just making comments on the situation. It's like he doesn't care whether he lives or dies. Maybe if I pull it. Light's still red, the display hasn't changed. Okay. Damn it. Why the hell isn't it? Okay. If I can find a card, I gotta lock this thing. Yeah, like a poker card. He's painted a big red 5 on the door. Okay, well, there's light filling the room. Guess the electricity is working. I don't know what I'm doing. I've been stuck in this fucking room for maybe half an hour. I don't know though, that's just a rough estimate. Let's check this briefcase again. One more time and then I'm gonna drown myself. Is it? No, that's not it. Is it? There's gotta be something I'm missing here. Okay. Okay. What the shit? 7485 0263. Okay, so I just looked up the combination because I wasn't getting anywhere. That was actually going to take forever. It's opening. I found a red flippin card. Stack of red key cards. A whole stack? Look like key cards. There's a number on each one. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Let's go to the other one. Is it? Six. I don't know where these numbers came from. Alright, let's see if these numbers work. I turn the key, and hey, looks like it's working. Yes. Alright, let's open it up. It opened. Looks like there's something in here. What is this? A file? File screen. If you find any documents or notes during an escape, the information contained in them will be available on the file screen. Press right arrow to open the file screen. Alright, let's see what's in this file. Oh my... Okay. Yeah, that's real interesting. No. 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 As soon as you introduce the word calculator, I instantly lose interest. Yeah, forget about that. Just forget about it. Forget about me using a fucking calculator. I'm not using a freaking calculator, alright? Now what do I do here? We'll start on the side of this thing. It's probably gonna slide through. Alright, do it. Pretty sure this is where I'm supposed to use them. Alright, let's slide these cards and see if they work. And... nothing. Okay. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Hey. Okay. How do I know which fucking card he's using? I don't know what card he's using. It's like some key cards. There's a number written on each card. 6, 7, and 8. What does that mean? Key cards with the numbers 1 through 3 on them. Okay. Hold on. Nope. Alright. I don't know. There aren't any more cards here. I've only got one of them. And of course, the files. The files said something about a digital root. A digital root. Digital root, huh? What am I supposed to do with... There's a 5 on that door. Root of 5? I was tired coming into this. And him talking about the digital root. I don't remember how to do that. I'm not in freaking high school anymore, right? 7. Hold on. Fuck. 761. Oh. That light was red and now it's blue. Okay. Yeah, quit. Yeah, go to the door. Go to the door. You found it. What? Ow. My head. Wait, is it over? Phew. That felt too much like being flushed down a toilet. Damn. Oh. Well, better than drowning, I guess. Light in a hallway. Oh. A door. Another flippin' door. Damn this water. Let me go. Is he at the door? Yes, it opened. Extravagant. What the hell? This is the inside of a ship. Well, yeah, that's what I thought. Totally. Okay. Alright. This is getting real old. Sit there. Pant. Back. Hurry. Deck's next. Whoa. People. A lot of people. I guess there's another one of us now. A dancer? No, I'm not. You better get moving. Okay then. Silver hair? Eh? One of us, huh? What? Nothing. Going up won't do you any good. There's 2 doors, but none of them will open. Hold on, the doors won't open. Hey, come on, aren't you coming? You gotta hurry. There's 9 of us then. All of the cards are in hand. Wait! They're gone! What is going on? There's an old man like a lion, a girl with pink hair, and everybody else that I saw. Hey! Ha! What was all of that about? Hey, what are you just standing there for? Do you hear him? We're going on anything no good. I should be there. Got it, now go. Whoa. Hey man, that was dangerous. Huh? 4. That's what it says. 5. They're the same. The room I woke up in had number on the door just like this one. You too, eh? My soul was the same, and number upon the door. I opened it, ran down the hall outside, and found myself a rather grand room. Grand room full of stairs. As I suspected the rest of you. Me too. Same for me. There was a door with a number on it. Yes, we all said the same thing, not important. We need to hurry. You think I don't know that lady? Open, damn it! Fuck! It's not opening! This damn thing won't even budge! Out of my way. body slam from a guy that big didn't even budge it. Well, I mean, there's a wooden wall next to it. So looks like the vibe's not fucking gone. There's another puzzle, isn't there? God damn it. Are there any other doors? He had scarcely taken a step when, at the top of the stairs, next to an ornate clock embedded in the wall, he saw a person. He saw a person. It was a girl. She looked to be the same age as Junpei. He froze, unable to look away from her face. He wasn't confounded by her beauty or something like that. No, there's another reason he couldn't take his eyes off the girl. Junpei had seen her somewhere before. He couldn't quite remember where, but he knew he'd met her before. The girl, too, stared at Junpei, similarly stunned. Her response suggested she'd seen him before as well. Huh? Without saying a word, Junpei walked slowly towards her. She didn't move. It was almost as though she was held and placed by some sort of magic spell. As Junpei stepped onto her landing, the spell broke. No sooner had he set his foot down than the whole ship shook a second time. The quake caught the girl unprepared and... Oh, watch out! Moving on his way, Junpei left to catch her, so we... Her face was far closer than it should be. Huh? He was... Oh my fucking god. Just skip it. Skip it all. My gosh. Is that you, Jumpy? Jumpy. Her words echoed through Jumpy's head and suddenly a memory returned. Akane? Why hadn't he realized it before? The girl was Akane Kurashiki, and she and Junpei had been friends in childhood. I went to school together for 6 years. Oh, you can feel the warmth of her face, feelings he thought had forgotten. So you could feel his face heating up at that moment. Welcome aboard. I welcome you all from the bottom of my heart to this vessel. What? What's that voice? I am Zero, your captain of this ship. I am also the person who invited you here. This is... guy in the gas mask. Hey, asshole! What the hell is this? Come on out here. I want to get a look at you. What am I going to do? I mean to have you participate in games. Some of you I know are familiar with this game. You know every game. It's a game where I repeat the same fucking words over and over. Non-every game. What the hell's there? I need power-body persons. There's simple rules with them. What's he talking about? Hey, there's something in my pocket. Check this out. Got one too. That it would seem Zero had seen it first fit the gray sauce with a letter. Do you mind terribly reading it to us, young? Oh my. I can't even concentrate on this. So you want You mean to tell me that you want me to do my friggin' math homework 5 times in a row? Like I'm a high schooler. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing math. There's one last thing I must tell you. As you have no doubt surmised, the ship has begun to sink. On April 14th, 1912, the famous ocean liner Titanic crashed into an iceberg. After remaining afloat for 2 hours and 40 minutes, it sank beneath the waters of the North Atlantic. I'll give you more time. 9 hours. It's the time that you will be given to make your escape. I hear a bell? I think I'm gonna fall asleep. It's coming over the stairs. It's the clock telling us that it's friggin' midnight. It rang 9 times, so 9 o'clock then? I think it's 3 a.m. I couldn't see anything when I tried looking out the window. It has to be nighttime. If that is the case, then we would need to escape by 6 a.m. tomorrow. Now it is time. Let our baby get. Wish you best of luck. Hey, you bastard! What do you mean by that? Come out here, you asshole. Stop shouting. Hey, the others. Ah. Oh. Okay, that's about as much as I can take for now. I don't see myself ever coming back to this. So without anything else, I think I'm just gonna end it here for tonight. How about you quit the game? File? No. How about I quit the game? Can I not quit the game? If I know, are they not gonna let me quit the game? Yeah, save here. Okay, well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.